Hi, my name is Elena Vilar. I'm living in Oslo, but in Spanish, and we are going to do a typical Christmas recipe. The name of the recipe is Christmas wine. The ingredients are 700 deciliter of red Spanish wine, 20 deciliter of liqueur. I like very much Cointreau because it tastes orange. 12 cardamom seeds, 12 cloves, 4 cinnamon sticks, a little piece of ginger, raisins 20 grams, almonds 20 grams. These are, I don't remember the name, something like, yeah, star anise. Star anise, we are going to take to use 2. Also, this is a 1 whole orange peel and 50 grams of white sugar. Now we are going to prepare the recipe. First of all, you have to cut the vanilla stick onto pieces. You have to put all the ingredients together, except the raisins, the liqueur and the almonds, and this has to cook softly, gently, at least 40 minutes. The temperature must be around 70 degrees. I have taken out the orange peel and I have filtered all the spice, and then we have this, and I put inside the almonds and the raisins and add the liqueur, and we mix all together, and now it's ready to serve. Enjoy! And now we are going to serve the Christmas wine. And just wish you a Merry Christmas from Norway, and greetings from La Guía del Chef. Merry Christmas! Delicious!